guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something different. I have a special guest who's going to be narrating for me as I was really busy this week, so he decided to take over for me.
As you can see here, she is drawing a gigantic box that'll cover up basically the whole page. She's marking numbers 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Looks like these are times, but she does not put AM or PM, so I'm not sure, but I'm assuming they are. And down on the column side, you can see that she is putting in what looks like dates of the month. And now for the title of the actual tracker, and it will say, if you give one moment, it says sleep schedule, sleep I honestly gotta wait for this to finish to see what it says. Sleep tracker. Sleep tracker. Yeah. And then, so as you can see on here, she's making a little bit more decorative with the gotta catch those Z's. And then so here you can see on the very first day of the month, she slept at, I'm assuming, midnight, and then waking up at 8 a.m. And then on the second day, from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m., which is quite early. Now here we are starting on our second tracker, which is the activity tracker. The chart looks a little smaller than the previous one, and then the value she's putting in is increments of 5 all the way up to 80. And then down on the column will be, I guess, the days. And here she is making a smaller box that, or line at least, and it says key. Okay, so it's the key or the legend, right? We gotta have the warm up, the core, legs, arms, all that good stuff. Yoga. I haven't seen her done any yoga, so I wouldn't know. Gotta box up the legend or the key and then color code it. Easy. One of us going to be pink, right? Cores, blue, legs, purple, arms, a little bit of orange, yellow. Yoga looks like a brownish, and then cardio with black. Alright, so first day. You got 5 minutes of warm up, and then we do another 10 minutes of core, and then legs. All right, first day. Second day, warm up, yoga, warm up again, and then core. Third day, we got a warm up and then cardio, and then arms. Me personally, I would do arms first instead of cardio, but you can do whichever way you want as long as you keep track of it and make sure that you are covering everything that you need. So here will be your water tracker. staying hydrated is probably #1 priority throughout the day. I see that we are going to keep track of water by cups. Honestly, 6 cups is kind of a little on the low side for the whole day. Me personally, if I'm doing this tracker, I probably go up to max like a gallon, right? Or maybe in 2 gallons or so. But always drink water. If your tracker goes up to 6 cups like that, the whole thing should be filled. On this next tracker is going to be this is an Instagram tracker. Alright, ooh, see, so now I gotta pull out my fancy pencil shape tracer. You know, I gotta hit them up with those small rectangular boxes that are not aligned at all. And then, I guess that's a thing now. I'm not sure why it's tilting that way, but you know, I gotta give it that aesthetic kind of feeling. You know, it'd be good to draw a little bit of circles here and there, or you know, all boxes work too. You gotta put a little bit of a stem on these boxes. Looks like we're gonna do all the stems on the boxes. Because you know, what boxes don't need stems. And then here we are going to add in a smaller square box inside the bigger one. It looks like make it look like a TV, you know, like a TV with one antenna. I don't know why there's only one antenna. Usually there's 2. That's at least half the signal. And then we're gonna draw lines through the antenna/stem, and I see. So now it looks more like kind of like an ornament, right? Ornament on top with a hook. And then this, you know, you guys use it for your own personal Instagram as well. And keep track of how many followers you have. I'd probably add a little more color in there. And so yeah, that is basically it. You have all these trackers, different types of trackers that you can do and you can use. We hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you do and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button